I just want to get your WEX word of the day. This is the word that you believe will describe the trading day that we have coming up here. What's your WEX word of the day?
Well, with all U.S. major indices positive right now from the futures perspective, my word of the day, Frank, is launch. You look at this market, it's poised to launch. I think there's a lot of potential headwinds when you talk about China and geopolitical tensions, but the reason I see this market launching is because it has been so coiled. Going back to last August when you saw the market at 4,200, we've had a lot of consolidation. We've had a lot of market contentions. So here we are getting poised to move higher. And if you look at the relative strength index of the S&P 500, Frank, it's not overbought. It's the current level at 58. So when you see all the things lining up, inflation cooling, the Fed minutes, which I really can't rely on too much, but it really is allowing the market to release. So whenever you see this type of market, this coiled, that type of torque in the engine, it has to be released somewhere. And I love all the negative sentiment out there. Therefore, I believe the market is going to move higher by about 5% going through the end of May.
All right, certainly something to watch. You're saying 4,200 right now. We're about 41.25. I want to talk to you about that cooler than expected CPI report. How do you see that impacting the markets? Are there certain sectors or even maybe stocks that you see benefiting from this idea that inflation is definitely decelerating at least?
Well, I think you are seeing inflation abate at a faster rate. That was evident yesterday in the CPI number. Expectations were for 5.2%. We actually saw year-over-year inflation come in from the consumer price index at 5% for the month of March. So I do think you have to be diversified. I do think you still have to own quality names. I talk a lot about the essential 40. These are blue chip essential names, but you also have to have a dividend focused tilt. So look at a Novartis, look at a Phillips 66, even a JP Morgan, which is kicking off earnings tomorrow. I think you have to look for some type of yield. The first two I mentioned have a nearly 4% yield. JP Morgan about 3% yield. So I think you have to own real high quality essential names. And the way I own these in the essential 40, I think is very different than a lot of portfolio managers, Frank. You have to own these in an equal weighted manner. So if you talk about some of the tech recovery, if it's Meta, if it's Google, if it's some of these names, still owning those names is critical. But if you own those names in a market cap weighted perspective in 2022, you got taken out to the woodshed. So here and now, I think you still have to have that exposure to tech, but you own it in a more prudent manner, which is equal weighted.
All right, your word of the day is launch. At the same time, we're coming off yesterday where the Fed minutes forecasted their base case as a recession. How does that impact the market today?
You know, the Fed has really lost a ton of credibility in my perspective, not just for the last year, but for the last couple of decades. So utilizing them as a forecast of recession, they're going to be right one of these years, Frank. So I have to put that to the side and have to trade the markets in front of us. Look at the 10-year note at 3.4%. Look at the dollar index at 101. You're seeing a lot of different metrics really allowing this market to launch higher. Now, another favorite word of mine is lunch, but I'm going to take a little space and put an A in there, but launch. The reason why I say launch is because you're going to see this market release. I'm not saying it's a straight line. I do have a 2023 forecast for the S&P 500 end of year price at 4,600, but I think we're going to see some volatility. The VIX is back under 20. It has allowed the Fed, if you look at the CME Fed Watch tool, it's about a 33% chance that they pause and do not move rates in 20 days from now. So I think that allows the market to launch and move higher, Frank.